Hi friends, today we are introducing the screens for SBA and I would like to explain in the screens how the control works and how you should pick the right way to process the transactions. First of all, I have opened multiple tabs in SBA. One is a sales order screen, one is a purchase order, one is accounting adjustment, one is a stock transfer, and let me open up some free text sales order as well and purchase free text purchase order also. I will explain each and everything one by one. First of the things, in each screens, wherever there is a marketing document, so if you can see that the sales order free text is all marketing document, purchase order free text and the purchase order simple, that is item based. Both are marketing document. And then in every single screen, if you see, there is a controls name as a BP code and BP name. Basically for BP is a business partner, and in the sales order, in the BP is a customer, and in the purchase order, BP as a supplier. Okay, so in any of the screen, you must select as a BP name. So whatever the name or the code, if you know, like for the purpose of demonstration, we have created a last video that customer A and customer B. So here, I remember the code as a C0015, and then that is appearing as it is. And in case we know the customer name, that is also, it is appearing as a customer A. So I have typed it on my control as a BP name, and since it is highlighted now, either I can choose it by clicking a mouse or I can simply say enter. So rest of my details, it will appear as it is, like my payment terms, whatever is inherited from the customer, it is appearing here. All the TIN and other address details, it's also appeared here. And for the cost center and project, in case you are having, you are going to select from here so that this document will be always continue with the same cost center and then the per project. It will be good for your reporting purpose, that if you are having a multiple branches and from which place you have created this document for, so it will be easy to maintain the cost center and the project. Now here the customer was inheriting the price list as a retail price. To verify that, let me just show it to you as a business partner and customer A, and you can see that the BP price is a TZS, price is a retail price, and BP currency is a TZS. That's what it appeared here as a price list as a retail price, and TZS, that is a currency. Now this is the sales order form. At the same way, let me pick it whether in the purchase order. So here we are just selecting as a vendor A, and that vendor A, it is currency was TZS, and rest of the detail is appearing as it is. So we are we know the screen, whether it is a purchase or the sales, it's only the type of BP is going to be selected as a sales order as a customer, and in the purchase as a vendor. Now we can verify here as well. This is the sales order free text, and here also we are selecting a customer. So in the header document, all the controls, it is going to function in all the forms the same way. Here is the purchase order. Here also we can select as a vendor, and then the controls is picking the as it is. So now we are having a two type of forms. One is a sales order. As you can see, it's written as a sales order, and one is as a sales order free text. Basically, the free text, it's in whole system, it is meant for non-inventory transactions, like you don't have a inventory item and then you are selling as a services or buying as a services. Buying as a services means like you wanted to have the expenses posted for the services, so those things will be comes in a purchase order as a for free text. And something which you are selling to customer but doesn't have inventory, like you are selling the services, that will come through the sales order free text. Now in the all the item type orders, I'm just putting as a common as an item. So item description you must select, not the item code, but you have a leverage to select. If you remember the item code, if you remember that we have created the item with batch. So let's say creating an item with a batch. I have put the quantity. If you have configured the price for the retail price for this item, it will pick automatically. Otherwise we are just assigning as a 1000, and let's say our warehouse is W1, and I entered. Since we are not having a stock, so that's why it was giving us the warning that okay, we don't have an item. Let me pick another item as well, item without batch. So I'm picking one, and price is 1000, and here BAT output is as it is, and let me keep two pieces for each item. Okay, meantime we don't have a stock, so it is not allowing us to do that, and then we are adding it. So we have added a sales order. Okay, the same way I'm going to create a purchase order. So same item, new item with batch. So let me have two pieces and price, and we have selected warehouse 1, and here let's say it is a vatable item, so IVAT input VAT we are selecting and enter. And another item without batch, let's say two pieces here, and let's say we are buying at 1000 only, and fine. So we are done with this, and then we have the salesperson also picked as whoever is logged in right now, and we just add it. So this is the item based purchase order, and this is the item based sales order. Control back, we are going to go to the previous document, and now I'm coming to the free text. The same thing, but here let's see, we are sales service 1, and I'm selecting a GL account here 1, and let's say price we are putting 5000, we are charging the customer, and add it. And then finally we are done through this, and then we can add it. So control back. So we have created a sales order for a free text, which is nothing but the journal is going to be created inside, because we are selecting only the ledger account. And then we are same way the free text purchase order, vendor we had selected, and now we are selecting the expenses, any expenses, let's say let's say we are buying licenses, and that was the price of 5,000. Okay, and then we have added. So it means now we have created a purchase order free text, sales order free text, sales order item, and purchase order item. Thank you very much.